make this video here because a bunch of people on Reddit, a lot of the older folks, were telling me this is a bike they had when they were a kid. So I decided to make a couple videos on it. Quite a few issues still with the bike. I fixed the oil leak, fixed a couple things, the carb and whatnot. I'll try to get it up and running, and I'll go ahead and kick it over now. Focus on. Choke actually just like broke on me. I'll show you. You can hear the bog when it idles, which isn't great. I will not get at all. But yeah, you can see that idle. It just broke on me.